Hi first grade, this is a quick video of today's math lesson. We are going to start with quick looks. I will pull out these cards one at a time for about 3 seconds and then tuck them back underneath. Think about how many dots you saw. All right, here we go. How many dots? If you guessed 6, you are correct. One way that we see 6 is a group of 3 and a group of 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, let's go to another one. How many dots? How do you know? There are also 6 dots on this card. We see a group of 3 at this triangle, and then we have 3 in the bottom row. So 3 and 3 makes 6. Let's try one more. 1, 2, 3. How many dots? How do you know? There are 4 dots on this card. 3 and 1 more makes 4, or some of us might see 2 and 2 makes 4. Great job, first grade. Today we are going to use and do quick looks with 10 frames. Remember, a 10 frame has 10 squares, 5 in the first column and 5 in the second column. 5 and 5 makes 10. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull out the quick look card and give you about 3 seconds to see how many dots are on the 10 frame. How many dots did you see? How do you know? There are 6 dots on this 10 frame. 5 and 1 more makes 6. All right, let's try another, first grade. How many dots? How do you know? There are also 6 on this 10 frame. You might see 3 and 3 make 6. This dot pattern looks like a dot die. Or you might look at the number of empty spaces. There are 4 empty spaces. 6 and 4 makes 10. Great job, first grade. You are going to be playing a game called High Roller. This game is already in Seesaw and the directions are there, so I hope that you enjoy playing this game. We are going to finish this time by doing the math box. You can pause this video to get your math journal. It is page number 10 in your math journal. So go ahead and pause this video and then play when you are ready to begin. All right, first grade, let's go ahead and get started. We are on page 10 in your math journal. Today's date is 10-13-20, October 13th, 2020. Number 1, I will read it for you and then go ahead and fill in and choose the best answer. Use your number grid. Start at 8, count up 7. You end at blank. Choose the best answer. I will read it one more time. Use your number grid. Start at 8, count up 7. You end at blank. Choose the best answer. Go ahead and fill in the correct bubble. You can write your answer on the line, and feel free to pause this video anytime as you're working. Number 2, Eli has 10 crayons. Sammy takes 2 crayons from Eli. How many crayons does Eli have now? Blank crayons. I will read that one more time. Eli has 10 crayons. Sammy takes 2 crayons from Eli. How many crayons does Eli have now? Blank crayons. Number 3, fill in the table. The title of this chart is Children in My Class, Boys, Girls. This is where we put the tallies, and I will go ahead and tell you how many boys and girls are in our class. We have 13 boys and 17 girls. Go ahead and make 13 tally marks for boys and 17 tally marks for girls. And when you are ready for number 4, count by ones. 22, 23, and go ahead and fill in the blanks. First grade, whenever you finish your math box, page 10, go ahead to the next page in Seesaw, and please take a picture of this page and upload it to the activity. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.